Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken porridge, easy method. Start by rinsing 1 cup rice and adding 6 cups broth, then add a whole chicken or thighs for deeper flavor. Simmer covered until rice breaks down and porridge thickens. Skim foam and adjust heat as needed. Shred chicken and return to pot. Finish with a splash of soy sauce, chopped scallions, and white pepper. Serve hot with optional sesame oil or chili. Gather ingredients and prep before you start cooking to keep the process smooth and fast. Rinse rice until water runs clear to avoid gummy texture. Slice a thumb-sized piece of ginger and bruise it slightly to release aroma. Use bone-in chicken to boost broth richness and save cooking time by shredding meat after simmering. Keep garnishes nearby for quick finishing and adjust salt at the end for best flavor. Bring the pot to a steady simmer and maintain low heat to prevent sticking and achieve silky porridge texture. Stir occasionally and use a wooden spoon to loosen rice from the bottom. If needed, add hot water or broth a half cup at a time to reach desired thickness. Taste and season at the end with soy and white pepper. Finish with scallions and a drizzle of sesame oil to lift the flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.